Allah has been telling me all along, right?
Yeah. So that's
very-
what it took for him to actually believe.
No, I mean, obviously, like, when you reach death or you're close to death and death is a reality, right?
Yeah.
Allah has been telling me all along, right?
Yeah. So that's
very-
what it took for him to actually believe.
No, I mean, obviously, like, when you reach death or you're close to death and death is a reality, right?
Yeah.
But imagine a doctor telling you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's when he seriously realized, but then he started doing a lot of charity, he started making a lot of videos to encourage people to not only think about.
So that's what it took for him to actually believe.
No, I don't know. Like, I would assume he was already a big believer, but
Yeah.
that took
That's a
him
reality
to
check.
to be more serious in life and so on and so forth. Right?
That
Like,
needs to be